Hello everyone, welcome back to Naoko's Happy Donabe Life. Today's recipe is Hatcho Miso Nikomi Udon. It can be made so quickly and create a balanced one-pot meal. I love the deep flavor of Hatcho Miso, which is a very dark kind of miso. The flavor is almost chocolatey. Once the udon noodles are part cooked, all the ingredients are cooked in one donabe. Let's begin. So here are the ingredients. For the broth, I have Hatcho Miso, mirin, and dashi, just these three ingredients. And I have udon, and then I have kabocha, enoki mushrooms, green onions, and bok choy. And as condiments, I have grated ginger and shichimi togarashi. Okay, let's begin. Combine the miso and mirin and gradually add the dashi and whisk in a bowl. I made the dashi with dry shiitake and kombu, so it's completely vegan this time. But you can use your own choice of dashi, such as combination of bonito flakes and kombu. You can find the dashi recipes in Toyo's recipe website, happydonabelife.com. Transfer the broth to a donabe, add the kabocha and bring to a high simmer over medium-high heat. Meanwhile, cook the udon. Udon will be cooked a couple minutes shorter than the package's instructions. Then it's drained and rinsed in cold water. So the kabocha has been cooking for a few minutes already. Now I'm gonna add the enoki mushrooms and green onions. And then you can cook for another, just a couple minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna add the udon all at once. Bok choy. And then I'm just gonna cook for just another minute or so. Then the dish will be ready. Wow! Looks so good and smells so good. Now the dish is ready. Okay, I'm gonna serve now. Serve into donburi bowls and top each with some grated ginger and shichimi togarashi to enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. First the broth. It's so soothing. This is a simple broth of just three ingredients, dashi, mirin, and hatcho miso. Hatcho miso gives such nice deep flavor. This is so good. I'm gonna eat the noodles. I like when noodles are cooked in donabe with the broth. It's so hot. With the ginger. This is so good. Wow. And I love all the vegetables cooked together with the udon. It's so good. So this dish, this time is completely vegan, but you can change around the ingredients you want to add. If you like to add the meat, I like chicken and also like duck breast slices. So good in this dish too. So you can try your own style. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Donabe Life!